In this video, I'm going to show you how to set fees on Axiom. Now, this is an updated guide for 2025, so make sure you stay tuned. So, the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account, and in case you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description, as well as in the pinned comment. You can sign up using my link, and you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So, make sure you check that out. It's worth it. Axiom is, in my opinion, and by the opinion of many others, one of the best, if not the best, meme coin trading platforms currently available. It has a lot of different features. It's packed with premium features as well, like wallet trackers, Twitter trackers, which are all completely for free over here on the Axiom Trade platform. So make sure you check it out. Now, to actually set fees, it's quite simple. Let me just go to a random coin over here, for example this one. You can see you have different fees. So it says the slippage, the priority, and then the bribe. So you can see how much you're paying in those three fees over here, just below, where you can set the amount of how much you would like to buy or, of course, sell. And then if you want to change this, you can just change it via these presets over here. So you have the first preset over here, and it's like this. The second one is going to be like that, and third one like that. But of course, you can change these presets as well just by clicking preset at the bottom left of your screen over here. And then you can basically select the preset, so preset 1, and then you can select the fees for slippage, priority, and bribe for buy and sell settings, and you can then do the same for preset 2 and preset 3, and then you will have 3 different ones available at your hand at any time that you are trading. Press continue after you're done, and then just switch between these 3. You'll always see which one you're in because it says down here as well as down here at the bottom left. It will always change when you basically change it over here, and you can also change it by clicking on the left and then selecting a different preset like this. So that's pretty much it. That's how to set fees. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.